students. Today I am going to start a chapter 12 and the topic is algebraic expression. And in this video we will discuss about the introduction part. And in this introduction part we will discuss about all the formations which we use in whole chapter. And they will help you how to solve the questions. So start with the introduction part. At first we discuss about the formation expression. What is expression? Expression is like an equation form, like we have x plus 7 is equals to 9. X plus 7. What is x plus 7? X plus 7 is expression. If where x plus 7 is expression, when we use symbol of equal, it becomes equation. So in equation, x plus 7 is our expression. Now we have some terms which we have to discuss. At first, I am taking another expression, and the expression is, I am writing here expression. Like we have 3xy plus 7x plus 4. Okay, ये एक expression है हमारे पास 3xy plus 7x plus 4. Now we have to discuss about some terms which we use. First is about variable. Second is about constant. Third is about coefficients. Fourth is about term. And fifth is about factor. Fifth is about factor. So what is variable? Variables क्या है? जो xy हमें एक्सप्रेशन में दिखाई पड़ते हैं, मीन्स हम xy को किसी भी न्यूमरल वैल्यू से चेंज कर सकते हैं. सपोज मैं आपको बोलूँ कि x की वैल्यू 1 है, so we have to put 1 at the place of x. So these xy are treated as variables. Okay, and what is constant? Only numeral value. Yeah, numeral value. Which is 4. Okay, without any variable. वो term जिसके साथ कोई भी variable placed ना हो. Like 4. 4 is the only numeral value here without any variable. Okay, so what is the coefficient now? The numeral before or with the variables. This number xy both are variables, and the numeral value 3 with xy is treated as coefficient. So 3 is the coefficient of xy, and next coefficient is here 7 with x. X is also a variable, no? So 7 is a coefficient here. Now what is term? The combination other than the operations. Operations means जो हम प्लस माइनस मल्टीप्लाई एंड डिवाइड सिंबल्स यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, वो कॉम्बिनेशन जो इन अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन ऑपरेशंस के अलावा यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट है. लाइक 3, अगर हम इन प्लस को यहाँ से रिमूव करें, सपोज वी रिमूव दिस प्लस, सो व्हाट वी हैव लेफ्ट हियर, वी हैव 3xy, we have 7x and 4. So these are the terms. If we remove plus minus the algebraic operations from expression, then the remaining ones are terms. Okay, so next and last is about factor. What is factor? If we have 3xy, na? 3xy, if we factorize, if we leave these like we have these 3 terms, na? Like we have 3x and 1. So these are the factors in term 3xy. In 7x, 7 and x both are the factors of 7x. Okay, so our next topic is term. We have two types of term. First is like term, second is unlike term. Like means same, unlike means different. Like terms means same terms. जब एक जैसे टर्म्स हो, जैसे 2x and 3x, दोनों कैसे टर्म्स हैं, सेम है, यहाँ भी x है, यहाँ भी x है. If I am writing here xy and 3xy, these two terms are like terms because यहाँ भी xy है और यहाँ भी xy है. But अगर हम unlike की बात करें, if I am writing here 2x and 2y, both are unlike, both are different. This is 2x and this is 2y. This is x and this is y. So both are different. These are not same. So we can say that these are unlike terms. If you can write 2xy and 3y. So यहाँ भी देखिए, ये 2xy है और ये y. यहाँ भी दोनों terms क्या है? Different है. So these are unlike terms. Like terms जब variables क्या हो? एक जैसे हो. ठीक है? Unlike terms जब variables क्या हो? Different है. जैसे यहाँ x है, यहाँ पर y है. So जब जो आपका लाइक और अनलाइक टर्म का टॉपिक होगा, ये टॉपिक आपको हेल्पफुल होगा एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन में. इन केस ऑफ एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन आप ऑब्जर्व करेंगे कि लाइक एंड अनलाइक टर्म्स कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है और वी हैव टू सॉल्व ऑल द टॉपिक्स एंड हाउ टू सॉल्व द टॉपिक्स ना. सो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज अबाउट मोनोमियल, बाइनोमियल एंड ट्राइनोमियल. मोनोमियल मीन्स हैविंग वन टर्म, having one term. Binomial having two terms, and trinomial having three terms. Monomial expression जिसमें सिर्फ एक ही टर्म, जैसे मैं लिखूं 2x सिंगल टर्म. Binomial having two terms, ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें दो टर्म्स लिखी गई हो, जैसे मैंने लिखा 2x plus y. टू टर्म्स हैं, फर्स्ट इज 2x, सेकेंड इज y. सो टू टर्म्स हैं. ट्राइनोमियल अगर हम लिखें 3xy plus y plus 4. So having three terms, one is 3xy, second is y and third is 4. So this is about the monomial, binomial and trinomial. Now come to the next one. The next topic is about addition and subtraction. How to add and subtract giving expressions. So in case of addition and subtraction, then you have to add two expressions, three expressions, and you have to subtract those expressions. So what we have to do it first? We have to use like terms. We can use like terms in addition and subtraction. Okay? Because जब हम addition करेंगे, subtraction करेंगे, तो terms का एक जैसा होना जरूरी है. जैसे अगर मैं आपके पास टर्म्स के बारे में डिस्कस करूं, 7x plus 3y is added to 5y plus 7x. Okay, these are the expression. First expression is this and second expression is this. अब हमें जब ये नंबर्स ऐड करने हैं, एक्सप्रेशंस ऐड करने हैं, so we have to choose like expression, like terms at first. 7x को 7x में ही ऐड कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? So we have to write 7x and this 7x at first. Like terms combine करेंगे. Then we have to select another which is 3y and 5y. Okay? So now we can add same terms, like terms together. 7 plus 7 is 14 and we have to take x as a common, or we can say that take x as common. So when we take x as common, so 7 plus 7 is here. Okay, so 7 plus 7, or in this expression when we take y as a common, 3 is here and 5 is here. So it becomes 14x plus it becomes 8y. So what is mean by this addition? We have to add same kind of terms and we have to subtract also. प्लस 4y, और यू कैन राइट डाउन लाइक दिस 7x, x को आप x के बॉटम में लिखिए एंड y को आप y के बॉटम में लिखिए, ठीक है। एडिशन करिए, जस्ट ऐड करना है। सो 7 plus 3 is 10 and x is common, so it's 10x. Now plus 4 plus 5 is 9 and y is a common factor there. Okay, now we have to subtract. What we have to do? 7x plus 4y. We have to subtract now. So 3x plus 5y. Before subtracting, we have to change their sign. So this is the plus because 3x is in plus. So you have to subtract. तो आप इसका सिंबल चेंज करेंगे, माइनस करेंगे, ठीक है। 5y भी प्लस है, but we have to subtract. So change its symbol into minus. Now we can solve this. 7 minus 3, 4. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5 is minus 1. So this is the subtraction. Okay, I'm going to take another example. If we have 3xy plus 7y plus 2x and another expression is 2xy plus 5y minus x. We have to add these two expressions. So add 3xy plus 7y. First case is of addition. So add 3xy plus 7y plus 2x and plus. Next expression is 2xy plus 5y minus x. So we have to just select the like terms. So 3xy and 2xy. So write down 3xy plus 2xy. Now choose another same terms, 7y plus 5y. Next one is 2x. So 2x minus x. Now solve the same kind of expressions like this is 3xy plus 2xy is 5xy plus 7y plus 5y is 12y. Now next 2x minus x is x. So this is the addition of these two terms. I am going to solve this expression with subtraction. How to subtract? So now the first expression is same. Now we have to subtract this from the first. So I am writing here minus and I am putting a bracket here. So 2xy plus 5y minus x. Because in case of subtraction we have to change the sign. So 3xy plus 7y plus 2x and now minus is here. So minus 2xy. This minus converts this plus into minus, so minus 5y, and this minus converts this minus into plus, so plus x. Now we have to solve this expression. Okay, we have to take the same, or you can say that like terms together, 3xy minus 2xy. Now come to the y, 7y minus 5y plus 2x and plus x. Now solve this expression 3xy minus 2xy. It's xy plus 7y minus 5y. It's 2y and plus 2x plus x. It's 3x. So this is the subtraction. So the next topic is find the value of expression. जब हम इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करते हैं तो हमें x, y की वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, मींस वेरिएबल्स की वैल्यूज फाइंड आउट करनी होती है, फिक्स वैल्यूज. बट इन केस ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन वी हैव the value of x and y, which we have the values of variables. Like if we have an expression 7x plus 9, okay, and it is given to you that if x is equals to 2, then what will be the value of this expression? So इस expression की value क्या होगी जब x क्या है हमारे पास 2 है. So we have to just replace this x by 2. So 7 and x is replaced by 2 plus 9. Now we have to solve this. 7 to the 14. 14 plus 9 is 23. So the value of this expression is 23 when x is equals to 2. I am going to take another expression like y plus 3x plus 7. Find the value. Question is find the value of 3xy plus y plus 3x plus 7 when x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. Okay, expression given है आपको x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2 अगर given है so आपको वैल्यू बतानी है इस एक्सप्रेशन की क्या रहेगी. So you have to just replace this x y by these values. So 3x is 1, y is 2 plus y is 2, 3x is 1 here and plus 7. Now solve this equation. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, 3 1s are 3 plus 7. Now you have to just add these things. 7 plus 3, 10, 12 and 18. 18 be the answer. Which means this expression is equals to 18 when x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So these are the topics which helps you to solve the complete chapter. So thank you.